Okay, so what additional information will allow you to prove the triangle is congruent by hypotenuse leg theorem? Well, first thing we need to know is that these are right triangles, because if they're not, then that won't apply. But they are. We're good to go. So we have that. Really, we have three requirements for hypotenuse leg. One, they got to be right triangles. Two, we need to know the hypotenuse. We do. We know the hypotenuse on each one. It measures the same, so they're congruent. And then we need to know one pair of legs. So what's running through here with certainly not the angle, because that's not what we need. We need the measurement of a leg. Do we need to know that BCE is 90, this angle out here? Well, it is, because this is 90 and these are a linear pair. Same thing here. But that's not relevant to what we're talking about. What we're trying to do is find out what one of the legs measures. So which of these has a leg pair? Okay, AC and DC. Well, that seems fine to me. They're each one of the legs. So let's hold C as a possible thing. Now AC and BD. AC and BD. BD is not one of the legs of the triangle. That runs all the way through. So this is actually not helpful because although it runs along the legs of both triangles, it's not in and of itself the measurement of one of the legs. So AC is congruent to BD is not, that's not going to tell us that. So then it's C. We're done.